Good Wednesday afternoon. Ran back out to the pool project to get some of this dirt work done ahead of the rain, get it walked in. Pool guys were here today. Look at that. It is about time. It's going to take a long time to fill up. So I've got the vacuum going, drawing the liner in tighter. Water level's got to get up to a certain point, then we'll shut everything off for the night, let everything stretch out, wrinkles get stretched out, and then continue the filling tomorrow, and probably some of the next day. Check that out. Get the wrinkles get worked out over there. They told me all that'll get worked out, so what faith I have left in them in that. But I've got to get after this mess, get it worked down and walked in and ready for the rain. Y'all stay tuned. Get this thing filled up, get all the edges buttoned up, sanding the joints, get the patio finished out, get the coping all reinstalled, and this thing's will be beautiful. Homeowners will enjoy it for a long, long time.